if you can share any of your failures and what did you learn from it and how did you overcome it?
So, okay, one sort of failure. I don't know how good this is, but this is kind of like earlier in my career. I basically failed like maybe 10 interviews in a row, and I was in a tough spot. Basically, I had just bought a house, and I was doing a lot of work to it. I was broke. And we had come from poverty. We were buying our first house. I had a pretty good job, but I needed to make more money somehow, and they weren't giving it to me where I was. And so I went for interviews, and but I was so stressed, right, because I had all these bills and all these different things, and so my mindset going into these interviews was just terrible. And I remember being in one interview, and I felt like the people that were interviewing me had a sense that, man, this guy might actually be good, but like for some reason he's kind of messing up this problem we're giving him. And so they one place kept me there until like 10 p.m. 10 p.m. I mean, they just they brought
Wow.
in person after person. I'm like, what is going on? Like, I just want to go home now. I'm done with this thing. And so I was in a pretty bad spot. I mean, but like 2 or 3 months later, things got a little bit better. I had my father-in-law help me. Personally, things got better. And then, I landed like 3 offers. And so this whole thing goes back to like the interview process and how it does a disservice to a lot of great people basically. And so having gone through that and
Right.
been burnt that badly, I can now see that yeah, a lot of people are probably getting burnt that badly. And it's just and so
True.
yeah, that was a pretty big kind of. I look back on it and I kind of laugh at it now. That's one example. One other example I have is from Jet, where we accidentally pushed out this, and this is kind of, it goes back to this whole idea that like, after you've pushed some bugs out there, you kind of laugh about them, But I think juniors basically don't laugh about them. They're very scared that they mess something up. But anyway,
Right.
so at Jet we pushed out this bug with our promo code engine, where basically someone could use the same promo code over and over, and within 1 hour the thing was on the internet, on Reddit or something, and basically like there was like,
Wow.
I don't know, 100,000, and we were a small startup, so there was like $100,000 worth of orders in like, or 150 or 160, I don't remember the exact number, within like a span of like, I don't know, 30 minutes that I introduced this bug.
Mm.
and so and people are like talking about it all over the internet, like, this is amazing, you could just keep getting 20% off, you just keep using it. And anyway, but we fixed it. But I remember how I felt. I mean, I felt terrible, and I had to, I did the root cause and what went wrong, and it was a very basic bug basically. But then I had to explain to the chief marketing officer that I messed this up, but I could fix it. I could cancel every order. Like, I could revert what happened. And she was like, you know what? Don't cancel the orders. We could use the sales. And I was like,
Wow.
oh my God, like, this is, it changed my mindset about bugs, right?
Cool.
And maybe that was a good thing I did, anyway.
Right.
Yeah,
Nice, nice, cool. So, Louis, thank you very much for your
absolutely, man.
time, and it was very helpful. I learned a lot. I hope our audience learned a lot in this. I really want to recommend that your timeless career advice for software engineers. I'll put the link below. So please go ahead, go through that course. It's about 1 hour course, but it's a lot of wisdom there, and it will help anybody starting their career, or even you are senior engineer. It will
Thank
help
you,
you.
Rafat.
So thank you very much, Louis,
Absolutely,
for
man.
doing
Thank you.
this.
Thank you very much.